Explain two characteristics of ROM as used in computers. And ROM stands for read only memory. Read only memory. Read only memory means whatever is inside the memory, one can only view it or read, but you cannot delete, you cannot modify, or either edit anything in the memory. So the other variation of this, which is closely to this, is the RAM, which is the random access memory. The random access memory. So memories also are part of what you are supposed to cover, introduction to ICT. So you have to know the characteristic of every type of memory and also their types. Because for RAM, we have static RAM and we have dynamic RAM. Read-only memory, it has several variations. So you can also look at the types of ROM and also look at the explanations for the types of RAM, which is the static and also the dynamic. So in this case, we are asked of the ROM characteristics. And the ROM, the major characteristics that ROM is known for is about the volatility and also the criteria of storing the data. And the first one, we say that they are non-volatile. Non-volatile means the contents or the data is not lost when power goes off. So in case you are working in the computer and all of a sudden the power goes off, then whatever is in ROM is not deleted or it is not lost. And that is what we call non-volatile. Then also ROM stores data permanently or semi-permanently. So the data that is stored in ROM is either permanent or semi-permanent. The semi-permanent comes in because some types of ROM can be erased and written again. So in that case, it will be a semi-permanent. So the RAM is the nearest type which we can also look at. In RAM, we say they are volatile, and the volatile now will be the opposite of this. It means when the power goes, then the contents are deleted. So when you are working with the computer and the power goes, then if you have not saved whatever you are doing, then you will lose it, because at that moment when you are working with the computer, the contents are being held in the RAM. Remember, another name for RAM is also termed as the working memory, such that whenever you are working with the computer, then data that is being used with whatever application you are using is being held in the RAM, and it is lost if it is not saved when the power goes. So that is volatile, and we say they store data temporarily, because you can delete whatever is in RAM and you can also modify. Another one, we can say that the user can write into it and also read, but in ROM we only have to read, but we cannot modify. So those are the characteristics of ROM. I have also explored the characteristics of RAM. You can also look at the other memories, which is the cache memory. We have also the registers. We have the buffers. And also we have what we call the holographic memories. You look at what they are. holographic memories, look at the magnetic disks, etc.